09.
Echo Kilo 71146 wind 130 degrees 5 knots. Clear to land runway 09.
Tower, good day. Holding point runway 27. Ready for departure.
Wind 133 degrees 5 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 7. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 27. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Full establish runway 09. Quebec Foxtrot 43438 wind 130 degrees 5 knots. Clear to land runway 09. Clear to land runway 09.
Full establish runway 09.
Juliet, Quebec 89935 wind 126 degrees 4 knots. Clear to land runway 09.
Clear to land runway 09. Tower, Charlie X-ray 294.
Tower, leaving 3,000 feet.
Airborne at 55. Contact radar on 119.700.
Contact radar on 119.700.
Full establish runway 09.
Tango Romeo 76670 wind 134 degrees 5 knots. Clear to land runway 09.
Clear to land runway 09. Tower.
Establish runway 07 left.
Golf Alpha 66768 wind 090 degrees.
Tower, good day. Full establish runway 07 left.
Good day. Wind 089 degrees 5 knots. Clear to land runway 07 left.
Clear to land runway 07 left.
Full establish runway 07 left.
November Hotel 59888 wind 093 degrees 4 knots. Clear to land runway 07 left.
Clear to land runway 07 left. Tower, Juliet, Tango 07516, ready for departure runway.
Juliet, Tango 07516, Tower, clear for takeoff runway.
Clear for takeoff runway. 7516, leaving 3,000 feet.
Radar, good day. 2,700 feet. Inbound, Romeo, Whiskey 07 Lima. Request landing information.
Good day. Continue descent. Runway 07 left. Report full establish.
Continue descent. Runway 07 left. Wilco. Full establish runway 07 left.
Contact tower on 118.200.
Tower on 118.200.
Full establish runway 07 left.
Golf Alpha 52056. Contact tower.
One thousand.
Establish runway 07 left.
500.
Sierra Victor 43554. Contact tower.
400. Approaching minimums. 300 minimums. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30.
Full establish runway 07 left.
Golf Alpha 891. Contact tower.
Full establish runway 07 left.
Golf Alpha 30685. Contact tower.